Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today the beautiful and nice, cute and charming. There is Ellen Farmer is an American and singer and actress. She was the winner of session 12 of the NBC competition show American Got Talent and runner-up of the first session of American Got Talent, the competitions. There she was born October 12, 2004, now the age of 16 years. Movie and TV show American Got Talent, no unfiltered winner kick on a very fantastic profile, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. My viewers, beautiful and nice singer. So the course of short course, you can totally do this. Don't tell people your plans. Show them your results. No pre-shoot, no demand. We can do anything we want to if we stick to it long enough. Stay foolish to stay sad. When nothing goes right, go left. Try again, fail better. Sad. Impossible is for unwilling. I will take the risk or lose the chance. There is no saint without a past, no sinner without future. Good things happen to those who foster solitary trees if they grow at all. Grow strong. The bird nest, the spider web, man friendship. He who is brave is free. Prove them wrong. The fastest road to meaning and success. Choose one thing and go all in. Max me. Keep reading to discover even more great. Once by Steve Jobs. So what happened? I discovered book, blog, and quotes. If in a way they become my guide and inspiration, the more I was reading them, the better felt. A few years later, it became wisdom quotes, the website you're reading right now. No guts, no story. My life is my message. Secure it. Let's do it. Bloodness, be my friend. Keep going. Be all in. My life is my agreement. Dream big, pray bigger. Leave no stone unturned. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Broken, carry on, still color. And so the adventure being game. If you want it, work for it. You can it if you think you can. Whatever you be a good one. Grow through what you go through. Do it with patience or not at all. If it makes to you, you will find a way. She beloved, she could. The past doesn't equal the future. Forget about still. Worry about result. Success is the child of at adversity. Whatever you do with all your right. Dream without fear, love without limit. Every noble work is at first impossible. If you are going through hell, keep going. We are twice armed if we fight with faith. The West mind has something yet to learn. Open your mind, get up off the couch. Be faithful to that which exists within yourself. Each day provide its own gift. I would rather die on my feet than live on my knees. The true success is the person who invented himself. Let him that would move the world first move himself. It is better to live one day as a lion than 1,000 days as a lamb. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Keep going. Do it with love. Keep your chin up. Follow your heart. Never stop dreaming. Now is it all you have. Keep moving forward. Love more, worry less. Nothing latest forever. Work hard, stay humble. Enjoy the little thing. The best is yet to come. Collect moment, not thing. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Be a voice, not an enemy. Seek the seeker. Every wall is a door. Silence is an answer too. If youth know, if age could, time is the soul of the world. Life is a short, death is forever. Stars cannot shine without darkness. Be who you needed when you were young. Innocence is a courage and clarity both. Find what you love and let it kill you. I am not young enough to know everything. The eyes are useless when the mind. If you are not confused, you are not paying attention, you are going to know that death is to know life. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Forgiveness is giving up hope for the better past. Be kind to unkind people, they need it the most. Character like a photograph, well in darkness. Life is a question, and how we live it is our answers. God provides the wind, but man must rise the same. Art is the light that enables us to realize the truth. Earth are wind creature. That's why our rib and cage. Your faith can move mountain and your debit can create them. The knowledge of happiness brings the knowledge of unhappiness. There are those who go with joy, and that joy is their reward. You are not dropped in occasion. You are the entire occasion in a drop. It's so strange that autumn is so beautiful, yet everything is dying. When you are happy, you enjoy the music. When you are sad, you understand the lyrics. One is never afraid of the unknown. One is afraid of the known coming to an end. When you have seen behind yourself, then you may find peace of mind is waiting there. If you do it for competitions, you are screwed. If you do it for love, you have a chance. You have to be bold to be number one. Please all, and you will please none. The fool wondered, the wise man asked. A smooth sea never made a skillful. Pain is unbearable. Don't raise your voice, improve your agreement. The secret of success is consistency of purpose. Failure is success if we learn from it.